You cannot know anything about this in the App Store or Google Play Store about their new payment services, but actually they have launched UPI based payment services in India, and I believe this is the first time WhatsApp have done something like this in any country. I'm going to tell you how to use WhatsApp payment, how to register for it, and how to send someone payment using WhatsApp at any point of the video. If you liked it, do press the like button. Stay connected, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Now you can send money to any of your WhatsApp contact without leaving the app. WhatsApp has a large user base. It is the largest messaging platform in the world. When WhatsApp thinks about doing something like this, it's quite obvious that they will choose India because online payment services are on the rise in India. And of course, China keeps blocking WhatsApp. So here it is. So first of all, if your WhatsApp is not updated, you need to update your WhatsApp. If you are already a beta tester of WhatsApp, if you have joined their beta program, then it's good for you. But if you are not registered with their beta program, then still there is a way of getting this latest feature. All you have to do is ask someone who have already got the feature to send you an invite. So I have got an invite from someone. And to check if you have got the feature or not, just click on this share or attachment button, and there you will see the payment icon. You can also click on settings, and there is a new option called payments. So you have to add your bank account that is linked to your WhatsApp number. So click accept and continue. Now you have to verify your phone number. For that, just click on verify via SMS. Click on allow. So in my case, it is my Airtel SIM, that is SIM 2, that is linked with my bank account, so I have to select that SIM. So in my case, it is Axis Bank, so let's click on Axis Bank. So it has detected my bank account at Axis Bank. Now let's click on this account. Okay, so now the setup is complete. Now let's click on done. And the good thing is that you can add multiple accounts. You can see the button. There's a add new account. You just need to click it and add another account. Okay, now to send someone a payment, all you have to do is click on this attachment button, then click on payment. And by the way, if the user is not registered, if you click on this payment button, if he is not registered, he will get an invite. Then he or she will also be able to use the WhatsApp payment feature. So I am just trying to send a payment for the first time through WhatsApp, and again this is another number of mine. There is another WhatsApp account of mine and I have registered for WhatsApp payments with that WhatsApp account. So now just try and send 50 rupees. You can also add a comment here. Okay, now you have to enter your UPI pin. And by the way, if you are not registered with UPI or you don't have a UPI pin, during the registration process, it will ask you for a new UPI pin. So now just let's enter my UPI pin. Okay, fine, the payment is sent. I also got the notification that I have received the payment. It's UPI. So as soon as you send the payment, the money will be deducted and will be instantly credited to the account of the user whom you are sending the payment. So this is the whole deal regarding WhatsApp payments. If you want to get an invite, there is a link to a Google form at the description of the video. Just go and fill up the form and I will send you an invite for WhatsApp payments. So hit the like button if you liked the video, and this feature of WhatsApp may help many people, so do share the video and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down there, or click on the round channel icon, then click on subscribe button. If you have anything to say or if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you guys, I really appreciate your support. Bye and see you all again.